Hey guys, it's Alicia. Now today I am making a Weight Watcher inspired recipe, and that is for beef stroganoff casserole. Now, stroganoff is a classic comfort food. With this light enough version, you still get a ton of flavor and it's very filling, but not all the fat and calories. This recipe is also super easy to make and it comes together really quick. So let me show you what you're gonna need to make this. You're gonna need 1 pound extra lean ground beef, 96.4. You're gonna need about 8 ounces of mushrooms sliced, 1 large onion diced, ½ cup sour cream, 1 can 90% fat-free cream and mushroom soup, ½ cup of a dry wine. You can use white or red, I'm using red, 2 cups uncooked egg noodles. If you use the wheat kind, it's actually a point less per cup. I just didn't have any wheat on hand. 2 teaspoons minced garlic, 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, and then some fresh ground pepper. You can also use salt if you want, I do not. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is get a medium-sized pan and turn it on high because we're gonna get our water ready to boil our noodles. And then you're gonna get a large size pan here and we're gonna cook our ground beef. I'm gonna go ahead and get this to where it's just starting to brown, and then I'm gonna add my onions and my mushrooms to it. And if you want to add a little oil or something to the pan because this meat is so lean, you can. I usually do, but I didn't this time. And it seems to be working out okay. Okay, I've been cooking this probably about 4 minutes. It's looking fairly brown, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions, mushrooms, garlic, and a little ground pepper. And if you want to use salt, this would be the point you would want to put it in. So now I'm just going to let this all cook for probably another 2-3 minutes or so. I just want to get the mushrooms and the onions to where they're softened. Okay, my water's boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and dump in my noodles. And I'm going to cook those probably about 8 minutes. You just want to cook them according to the package. And my meat mixture over here is looking good. The onions and the mushrooms have softened, so now I'm going to pour in my wine. That'll stir. I'm gonna reduce my heat to medium-low, and I'm gonna just let this simmer for a few minutes. And at this point, I'm going to also turn on my oven to 350 to preheat. This has been simmering for about 3 minutes, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the heat off completely, and I'm gonna add in my Worcestershire, my Dijon, cream of mushroom soup, and I'm gonna give that a quick stir, and now I'm gonna add my sour cream. My noodles look done, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain these, and then I'm gonna add them to my meat mixture. Now I'm gonna just give this a good stir. Okay, I've got a 9x13 casserole pan here, and I sprayed it with a little fat-free cooking spray. And now I'm just going to pour this right into the dish. I'm gonna spread it out evenly in here. Cover it with a piece of foil. And now I'm gonna bake this in my preheated oven that's at 350 for about 25 minutes. Okay, and here it is out of the oven. I will go ahead and dish some out. Now a serving of this is roughly a 1/6, and the points plus value on it is right around 7 points. This casserole is so easy and so delicious, and it comes together in just minutes. Even though it's a lightened up version of the traditional stroganoff, it still packs a ton of flavor and is really filling, and it's just a great recipe all around. It's one I keep in my rotation and everybody just loves it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.